So there's 2 beds, and they have little hearts on them, which tells me a whole story. Where's your buddy? Where's your sleeping buddy? Oh no, we're gonna end up crying at the end of this game, aren't we? There's gonna be sad things. Oh, the door's so large because you're so large. Hang on. Big bro's on the case. I got the muscles. No? Maybe it's the 2 of us together? Maybe I'll pull on your hips and you pull on the door. No, that's probably not gonna work. One of us here must eventually succeed. Alright, little bro, you get in the cauldron. I'm, like, really having trouble remembering which side is which. Oh. He's gesturing. Oh, hello. This seems really dangerous. Alright, maybe that's the way we do that. I see another bench. Clearly they are beckoning us to bond. Oh, goodness. Are we going to, deliver a ring at the end of this journey? Because I'm starting to feel, like, a little bit daunted, maybe. Oh, very picturesque, though. Gotta give it to him. The art design here, really well done. Oh, hey. I didn't realize you... Oh. Okay. I'm starting to feel like an action figure. I'm really glad you're a friendly giant, or we'd be in a world of trouble right now. Okay. Upsy doodles. What is over here? This is a new area, right? I don't think I've seen this from the other angle. Oh, the giant's still with us. Okay. This would have been the end of our journey if not for this guy. We really owe him. Oh wow, he's really putting himself on the line for us. Also, very brave, walking over that bit of flesh and muscle there. The animations are pretty decent too, actually. Maybe this guy's just lonely. Just wants some friends. The unfortunate thing is we're not really meant to be in this world together in the same way. We're just a couple of human children trying to save our father from a mysterious fate. Is he gonna wipe all the rocks off, maybe? Probably shouldn't be under those if that's the plan. Yeah. Oh, we've got to jump. There we are. I thought I couldn't grab it for some reason. Oh, look, he's a shimmy path. No! I don't understand the controls. Every other time that I needed to jump up on top of something, I would let go a little bit, and then I would pop up. Well, first death, I guess. Oh, come on! I did the exact same thing with both control sticks, and it worked for one of them and not the other. Okay, we'll wait. I'm letting go of the trigger, not the analog stick. That's my problem. Alright, we're not gonna do that again. That'd be weird if you could continue on without your brother. In either direction, like if there was an alternate path that opened up for that. Wait. No, I do have to let go of it. What? I don't understand how you jump. Am I just not in position or something? Maybe I just let go too long or something like that. I'll just, you know, not learn my lesson and hope that I never have to do this action again. And I'm pretty sure that's not going to be true, but that's the hope. Oh, I didn't have to let go of anything on that one. No jumping required. Alright, Giant's probably going to chuck us over there or something. What's the plan, man? Oh, look at that. Nice little shadow. Looks so heroic. Maybe I'm in the way. Sorry. Oh, God. I wasn't ready for that. That's, like, bound to break your ankles. That's a really long throw. Yep, okay, I think I figured it out now. It's just a tiny little release of the triggers. Not more than a second, even. And that seems to get me where I'm trying to go. Hopefully that will be that. I don't honestly believe the controls are that bad. I think I'm just struggling a little bit with them for some reasons. I don't know. It's hard for me to get it through my head. That one character's one stick. Maybe they should make you practice navigating for more time than just that little cart ride at the beginning. What are you trying to do to my bro? Oh, you want both of us? Yes, you do. And then he just bites our heads off. He looks a little like Golem. Oh my god! That is certainly not safe. What would your mother say? Oh, right. Wow, that's really pretty. Is this our Dear Esther fell down a hole and look at the beautiful cave moment? Oh, wait, no, 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 he's... Oh my god, he almost drowned in the 1 inch of water. Big bro goes first, little bro goes on his back froggy style. Get in. He won't even go in. No, you've ruined it. Get on his back. There we are. Takes a little bit of, you know, swiggling around there. There's very many stone models, all of which seem very nicely individually modeled. I'm doing that thing that I do where I start to look for similarities in the individual texture work, and I'm not seeing any immediately. They're probably there, but I'm not seeing them. This is the giant's lair. Is he luring me in so he can eat me? Delicate lighting going on in here, actually. That's kind of nice. I'm gonna guess at some point we're gonna get a torch, maybe, for light, and we're gonna have to, like, light our way for the other one. I don't know why that rock is lit up the way it is. It doesn't actually make any sense. Hopefully a rock doesn't fall and pin one of our arms and force us to use a pocket knife to, Oh no, I'm too fat. Use this. I've done the thing! Oh wait, but there's many things to come. Are we in the world of Diablo 3 right now? This is straight up a dungeon in Diablo 3. Oh wow, it's the Mines of Moria. I have to believe this game was somewhat, if not largely, inspired by Lord of the Rings. I mean, maybe it's the beautiful Celtic design on that water wheel, or the subtle lighting and the little fireflies. There's like a lot of nods to it, I feel like. You think it looks more like Torchlight than Diablo? I guess I could see that too. Alright, so clearly we're meant to hold on to that and ride it over to the side. I Again, super dangerous, but whatevs. Okay, now jump off. Big set piece to use for like 3 seconds. Clearly there's going to be some other interaction with it. Gotta justify it. Oh. Yeah, no, I know. I'm coming. What was that, man? Where are we going? Okay. Oh. What kind of stone are you? Oh, the kind of stone that on the other end you don't want to drop your brother into because they're gears. It's, a little bit dangerous, actually. If you're a bunch of jelly people wrestling, that's the kind of place you'd want to throw your enemies. But I didn't say we're a bunch of jelly people wrestling, so don't get the wrong idea. Okay, what actually is this place? Are we gonna build an incredible machine or something? Oh, excuse me. Alright. We can lift, we can pull, we can move. Probably not like that, though. Oh, we're gonna play Irritating Stick. A game that is a family favorite. Everybody loves an irritating stick. What do we do with it? We're gonna back it up like this. 'Cause my daddy taught me good. And we're backing the hell out of there. Yep, give it a little shove. Are we trying to connect a pipe between, like, 2 of these, or what? I don't know where we're going with this pipe. That looks like a thing that could take a pipe. Maybe let's just throw it in the gears. I think I just solved the puzzle, but I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, this is totally where this goes. Hello. Yay! I'm the best. Beautiful. So, the good news is that those are actually the official Gears of War. And we have now entered a time of peace. So, that's great. The brothers have inadvertently Inspector Gadgeted their ways into another way of new line of reasoning and thinking. Okay, which side of this do we interact with? This end? Okay. So... yeah. Now what? I can't pull it left or right, so that's not a thing. What are these? Okay, yeah, no, we're trying to trigger that bridge. I get that part. But what is the mechanism that allows this to work? I don't get that part yet. Yep, no, I still see it. Oh, it turns. Sure it does. Okay, that's half the bridge. If only we had a giant to throw us in the other direction. Now turn it that way. No, a little too far. Or maybe it's fine, actually. What a strange mechanism. It only responds to that slightly arced curve of metal. This is a pretty spooky place for a couple of kids. Yep. I think we're gonna be okay, though. We've got fireflies, we've got determination. And we've got a world that cares about us, for some reason. It's the greatest lie in the history of the universe, that the world cares about us. I'll just do a nihilism % playthrough of Brothers: A Tale of Two Plums. Alright, there's usually a rope here, right? Is that a rope? I can't see any rope, so I guess there's no rope on this one. The rope allocation was minimal. There we go. Who needs a rope when you've got that? No! I guess we hold it. I didn't realize. Okay, bro, I'm trusting you, man. Don't drop off that chain. Alright, now you can. Brother, I can't get down. I'm scared. What if there's a puppy? It's fine. We live and we learn. Puppies come and puppies go. Puppies chew and puppies grow. What are you? The miners of Moria are now here. The miners of Moria. Never been called that before. This is very picturesque. And a beautiful wading pool to hang out with fishes. We're children. We love water. I don't think they actually respond to the fish at all, right? Not getting the impression. Man, this music is so foreboding. It's foreboding. Why can't we just get a boat? Money, 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 money. That freaking song. You wrote money enough times in the chat. I'm just gonna have to start singing it. 30 bald eagles sewn into a coat. I honestly don't know most of the lyrics, but it's mysterious and interesting to me for some reason, that little Temmie rap. Anyway. Looks like we've got another arc reactor here. No. Oh my god, why won't you both... They won't both use it at the same time. They won't use it at all. What? Oh, they want the other sides. Okay, the game doesn't understand that we can both have our own sides. What is this all about? We're trying to set up a jump? Nope, we're trying to activate that so we can ride the chains, that's why. Don't die, bro! Okay, bro, you don't die either! We'll just pretend this isn't like the opening scene of Prey, or the ending scene of Half-Life 2, or the scene in Quake 2, or 4. Anytime people go on chains, usually bad things happen right afterward. Are those cannons pointed directly at us? Let's hope not. Okay, no rope again. That's a real drag. What? Oh, this is far too dangerous for children to play in. I think I've got to keep turning this. Don't compress my brother. Brother. Oh, shiz. I didn't realize what I was getting myself into. Oh, okay. You know what? That's fine, actually. He can just grab the next one. Where are we going next? This is getting a little ridiculous. Yep, keep going. Don't leave me, brother! Whoa, what do we do with this? Oh, now he's gonna do the same for me, I guess. He's got a one-man lever. There it goes. A one-man lever. Just for you. Now I'm gonna do the same for him. One-man lever my brother. Grab it? No. Yeah, this place can't possibly be safe for children workers. Looks like we've got this pretty much sorted out, though. The whole puzzle is just becoming transparent before my very eyes. And we've got one more crane or boom or something to operate. Drag another chain over to me, and then I'll just drive back over to him. Alright, good enough. Oh. I think I was meant to pull it the other way. Okay, careful, because that could have a bit of momentum on it. Okay, no, it's fine. Other way. I appreciate that they've got, like, 180 directional, diagonals? Degrees of that marked off for non-use. Just to make sure we can't, get ourselves a little too far away from the answer there. I like this. Going up big stone blocks. You climb a mountain like that. Oh. Oh, what are those shadows? So weird. A gusto like this, these kids could compete on Nickelodeon Guts and maybe even win a boombox. Oh no, it's Prince of Persia 2008 all over again. You remember these freaking rings everywhere? It was Ring World. Alright, we're synchronized like no other family's ever been. We go on the Family Feud. We would psychically and telepathically predict all the answers immediately. Okay, get out of the way. Yep, this is super dangerous. Oh, time to contemplate the world again. Look at what we've done, little brother. Neither of us is even a suit of armor yet. Just you wait. It's Molly Ringwall. Brilliant. Whoa. Don't climb on that. That's not good. What are we doing? Oh no! This'll never work. Or maybe it will. It's almost like someone set this all up as a big ol' obstacle course for the two of us. But I know that's not true. Oh, here we go. What could be the possible use for this? If not to ferry two children to the giant tree to do the thing. Okay, that's too much weird moaning. Don't keep doing that, please. This is not a platformer! There's nothing to do here other than run! You know, it loses a little of the suspense when there's no active jump button. Oh, it's his buddy! It's the other sleeping giant. Now we'll stand on the shoulders of you. You better believe we're saving the shit out of you. Oh, we're gonna stick that freaking club up his rectum. Don't you freaking worry. I see the key on it. First of all, we've gotta wiggle and vibrate on this cage a little bit. Just in case the physics bug out. I guess that's not a thing. I wonder if there's, like, a speedrun glitch % run of this game. Kind of want to know what the physics exploits might be. Don't worry, little bro's got this covered. Don't step on the bones. Bones crack. And then they have to grind yours to make their bread, is what I've heard. Good thing I've got that tiptoe game on fleek. Oh, no, it's got crossbars! It's okay, I've got little wrists. Yep, just put it in his little butt. There we go. Get the dog to chase him away. That would work great. Alright, easy. Now we're gonna go destroy his life. Yep. Oh my goodness. The giant's out. We're so stealthy. Why do they even have her in a cage in the first place? Oh no. She got hurt.
Hey, Maru!
No, 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 you can't yell the bones! Now all the bones are gonna break! Oh no, the Hulk is here. It's okay, he can't see us very well. Conveniently, there will be a mechanism that will allow us to trap him in it. In that cage, I mean. So that mechanism is going to be for me to open it with one of us, lure him in over here. Hey! 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 You're real stupid. Okay, there you go. Yep, turn around. Clip through a little bit. This part might not be great. Oh. Shit. I had a plan. It didn't quite work, but I had a plan. Can little bro do it? It's a little heavy for him. Okay. I'm sure this is how you do it. I'm not sure how you get in and out without him grabbing you. Oh, come on. Broke his spine. Get a stronger spine. Grow up, kid. I wonder if I can shout at him through the other side of the cage. Or if there's even, like, another plan to put into action here. Yeah, get him over there. Oh, I can climb out of the cage bars. That's how I do it. Hey, stupid. Rip! I like your little vibrations, though. Hey, thank you. I knew you wouldn't leave us behind.